is a plant arises unafraid. It heals the bodies, heals the land, and places power in our hands. Roots down deep, green and gold. Old world cracks, then new things grow. Cannabis, cannabis, key to the new. Cannabis, cannabis, we start anew. From hempcrete homes to superconductor lines. Cannabis, cannabis, the future shines. Lithium burns, the firefighters weep, but hemp will give them peaceful sleep. The natron grid, the feldspar lens, we build again with steadier hands. Roots down deep, green and gold. Old world cracks, then new things grow. Cannabis, cannabis, key to future shines. And when the seas are finally clean and the cities are rebuilt serene, we'll lift our eyes, no need to hide. The wound is closed.